Let me try to give you a sense of how heavy the snow is tonight on this February 1st, moving into February 2nd in Tokyo, 2010. That is Roppongi Hills, 52 stories up, the Hyatt Hotel just next door, and we're panning down to Keyakizaka Way. And as you can see, the snow is coming down quite heavily. Big, huge, thick snowflakes here tonight. Can you see that over there? It is truly a winter wonderland. And the cars are dealing with it, skidding on the streets. A mailbox right here. And a little restaurant right here. Look at that over there. That is the Hyatt Hotel in Roppongi Hills.